how to place TP and SL on Bybit spot. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to do it. After you open the Bybit spot, go to your trade. After you go to trade, so now here is spot. Choose the spot in this option, and then you tap on this option now and choose the pairs you want to trade. So for this video, I want to trade LTC Litecoin. So here is now LTC USDT. After you choose the coin you want to trade, so now you tap on this sell button. After you tap on the sell button in this option, so the next thing to do, so now we tap on this limit. So change this limit. So I'll tap on this and choose this TP/SL. So here I choose the TP/SL in this option. So the next thing to do, so now we tap on this option now and type in the trigger price. So the trigger price means that if you look at this option, so now as you can see now if you look at this option, now here is now the current price of the LTC. So the current price of the LTC is 76.24. So now if I want to now sell my LTC that I have, here is the LTC I have now. I have over 3,000 LTC. If I want to sell it now, I'll just type in the amount that I want to sell it, which is stop loss. So now I want to sell it whenever the price goes to 70 or whenever the price goes to 73. I'll just ask the market to sell all my LTC. After I said this one, so I'll tap on this, it says limit. So choose the limit in this option. So now whenever now the price of the LTC goes up to, let's say 80, now it's set as 67. So whenever the price goes to 80, I ask the price to sell it for me, and whenever the price goes to down to 73, I ask the market to sell it for me. After I do this, now we specify the quantity. So I will tap in now, let's say 50% of the amount of LTC I'm holding. That's 228.1. That's amount of LTC I want to sell. And then I'll tap on this sell button and confirm. So if you scroll to down, as you can see now, here is now my LTC, my TP and SL. So here is it now. So here is now my stop loss, that's TP, and here is my take profit. So 80 is my take profit and 73 is my stop loss. And that's it, guys. If you want to modify, you tap on this modify button. And if you look at this option, so here is it now. As you can see now, if you look at this option, so it says TP/SL. So now my order will stay open until one of these condition has failed. If the price goes down to 73, if I come to this option, I will not be able to see this order. And if the price goes to 80, at the same time, I will take my profit. I will not be able now to see the order. And if the market will just execute the trade for you automatic, even if you close the app. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.